This video tutorial I will explain consumer group in Kafka with three partitions and one consumer. Here you can see the broker which has one topic and this topic has three partitions. Partition 0, partition 1 and partition 2. Here you can see the producer which will generate the message and publish message to these three partitions in random manner. Here you can see the consumer group and it has one consumer, and this consumer will consume messages from these three partitions in round robin manner, and one consumer can consume messages from more than one partition. If you want to write consumer, there are configuration needed by consumer. The first one is topic. It is nothing but from which topic the consumer is going to consume the messages. And the second one is bootstrap servers, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number. And third one is group ID. The consumer belongs to which group. Now we will see the example and we will see how it is going to work. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server, then Kafka server, then I am going to create animal topic with three partitions. Zookeeper server has been started. And Kafka server also started. And I have created animal topic with three partitions. Here I have opened two eclipses. In first eclipse, Kafka producer demo application is there. In second eclipse, Kafka consumer demo application is there. Here I have defined the class Kafka consumer demo. Here I have defined the topic name as animal topic. Inside main method, I am creating properties object. Here I am setting consumer configurations like bootstrap server config, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number. Key deserializer class config, value deserializer class config, group ID config, and auto offset reset config. Then I am creating a Kafka consumer object using Kafka consumer constructor which accept properties object. Here I am calling subscribe method of consumer object to subscribe to animal topic. In this while loop, I am calling poll method of consumer object which returns consumer records from animal topic. Using for each loop, I am getting each consumer record and displaying key, value, partition and the offset. Now I am going to start consumer application. Consumer application has been started. Now I am going to start Kafka producer application and send animal names to animal topic. And here you can see the output. The animal name dog is published to partition 1 of animal topic, and animal name lion is published to partition 0 of animal topic, and animal name tiger is published to partition 2 of animal topic. Animal name snake is published to partition 0 of animal topic, and animal name cat is published to partition 1 of animal topic. So the producer publish animal names to all the three partitions randomly. Here you can see the consumer log, and there is only one consumer is running which consume animal names from all the three partitions in round robin manner.
You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.